One unexpected expense. That's all it takes to derail your finances. A $2,000 car repair, a sudden medical bill, a job loss. For most people, this means credit card debt, panic, and months of recovery. But there's a simple tool that turns financial emergencies into minor inconveniences. It's called an emergency fund. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to build one. Welcome to Money Grows on Trees, where money actually grows. Today, we're covering emergency funds, how much you really need, where to keep it, and why it's the single most important foundation of any financial plan. An emergency fund is a dedicated pool of money set aside specifically for unexpected expenses. It's not your savings for a vacation, it's not your investment account, it's a financial shock absorber. Money you can access immediately when life throws something at you that you didn't plan for.
The general rule is 3 to 6 months of living expenses, not income, expenses. If your monthly costs are $3,000, your emergency fund should be between $9,000 and $18,000. If you have a stable job with steady income, 3 months may be enough. If you're self-employed, have dependents, or work in an industry with high turnover, aim for 6 months or more. Here's how to calculate your number. First, total your essential monthly expenses. That's rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments, and any other non-negotiable costs. Don't include dining out, entertainment, or subscriptions. Those get cut in an emergency. Multiply that number by 3 for your minimum, multiply by 6 for your target. For example, if your essentials are $2,500 per month, your emergency fund range is $7,500 to $15,000. Your emergency fund needs to meet 3 criteria. It must be safe, accessible, and earning some interest. That means a high-interest savings account, ideally inside a TFSA in Canada for tax-free growth. You can also use a money market fund or a GIC ladder for slightly higher returns. What you should not do is invest your emergency fund in stocks or crypto. The stock market can drop 30% in a month exactly when you might need the money. Keep it safe, keep it liquid.
A true emergency meets 2 criteria. It's unexpected and it's necessary. Job loss, medical emergencies, urgent car repairs, essential home repairs like a broken furnace or leaking roof. These are the situations your emergency fund is designed for. When they happen, you don't panic, you don't reach for a credit card. You tap your fund, handle the situation, and rebuild. Here's what is not an emergency: a vacation, a new phone, holiday gifts, Black Friday deals, the latest gadget, a wedding you forgot about. These are predictable expenses, not emergencies. If you can plan for it, it's not an emergency. It's a savings goal. The discipline to distinguish between I want it and I need it is what separates people who build wealth from people who stay broke. Building an emergency fund from zero is easier than you think. Step 1. Start small. Even $500 is enough to cover many minor emergencies. Set a goal to reach $1,000 first, then build from there. Step 2. Automate. Set up a monthly transfer to a separate savings account. Treat it like a bill. Step 3. Use windfalls. Tax refunds, bonuses, gifts, any unexpected money goes straight to your fund. Step 4. Cut expenses temporarily. 3 months of cutting non-essentials can fund months of security. Step 5. Add side income. Even a few $100s a month from a side gig can fast-tack your fund to full strength. An emergency fund isn't exciting. It won't make you rich, but it's the foundation that makes everything else possible. Without one, every setback becomes a crisis. With one, you have the peace of mind to invest confidently, pursue opportunities, and sleep at night. Build it, protect it, and when you use it, rebuild it. If this was helpful, subscribe to Money Grows on Trees. In the next episode, we're tackling debt, specifically the avalanche versus snowball method for paying it off. Remember, this channel is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.